Exact location is the exact position of a place. Every place in the world has an exact location that is measured by longitude and latitude lines. You can see these imaginary lines on a map or a globe. Most of the time, however, we use an address to give us an exact location. You might say, I live at 405 Washington Street, Madison, Wisconsin. This tells your friend exactly where to find your house. Relative location describes where something is in relation to other things. For example, Wisconsin is next to the states of Minnesota, Michigan, Illinois, and Iowa. Wisconsin touches Lake Superior and Lake Michigan. You could also tell someone that you live near the Wisconsin River or next to the school or down the hall from your friend's apartment. Drawing lines around the world. Most maps have lines that run side to side and up and down. These are latitude and longitude lines. They run all the way around the world. Latitude lines run east and west, side to side. Longitude lines run north and south, up and down. Along the lines you will find numbers. These are the exact latitude and longitude numbers. Each number has a tiny circle by it. This is a symbol for a degree. A degree is part of a circle or globe. The numbers tell exactly how far north of the equator Wisconsin is. They tell how far west of the prime meridian Wisconsin is. You can see the equator and prime meridian on the globe at the top of the page. Activity. We're surrounded. The land is natural. It has always been here. But people divide up the land. They decide where boundaries, the outside edges, should be. They make maps to show the boundaries. How do people decide where the boundaries should be? Look at a map of the Midwest and find Wisconsin. What natural features are used as boundaries? Natural features include rivers, lakes, and mountains. 1. Are any of Wisconsin's boundaries rivers? What are they? Are any of Wisconsin's boundaries lakes? What are they? 3. Are any of the boundaries imaginary lines? These are boundaries made by people. Sometimes they follow latitude lines. Sometimes they follow old trails. Sometimes they are chosen for other reasons. Caption. Have you ever seen the beautiful wide Mississippi River? It forms much of our western boundary. Lesson 1 Memory Master. 1. What do we call the study of location, land, water, plants, animals, and people of a place? 2. What continent, country, and state do you live in? 3. What do we call the place where a river starts? 4. Name the states, rivers, and lakes that form Wisconsin's boundaries.